these words make you sound basic, and yet we've all been guilty of using them at some point in time, right? So what's wrong with fine when describing the food, or good when expressing a decent grade? But think about it. Every time you use these words, it's like you're settling for mediocrity, and your message gets lost in translation. I mean, have you ever noticed how using words like thing or stuff can make you sound like you're not even bothered to think about what you're talking about? It's like you're just going through the motions. But what if I told you that you can replace these basic words with more precise and engaging alternatives, like all right instead of fine, or acceptable instead of good? And suddenly your conversations become more interesting, more thought-provoking, and more effective. You see, the words we choose to use have a huge impact on how we're perceived by others. And if you want to be taken seriously, you need to upgrade your vocabulary. So let's start with the basics like thing. What if I told you that you can replace it with something as simple as object, or item, or even entity, and suddenly your descriptions become more detailed, more accurate, and more engaging? Or what about stuff? Can't you just say belongings or possessions or even equipment, and watch how your language becomes more confident, more assertive, and more persuasive? You get the idea? It's all about making a choice, and once you start paying attention to the words you use, you'll be amazed at how much more you can express, how much more you can convey, and how much more you can achieve. And trust me, it's worth the effort, because when you speak with precision, you command respect, you inspire confidence, and you get results. So take the first step today and start saying it like you mean it.